Exactly. Glitter's the best.
So let me ask you a question. What was that? There is a full inspection, right?
Pretty much.
What are you actually looking for?
It's just little things. Like you first look at the label. That's one. It has like you usually have a chip line right here. Let me show my man's right here.
Yeah, for sure.
You got like a line right. You see those lines behind it?
Yeah.
And then just make sure you don't see any like crazy Chinese stamps or anything like that.
Okay.
Another thing is like the stamp, as long as it's correct. Sometimes like the Chinese one is either too bold or some crazy, you know, if it's off. And overall, just the structure of the shoe, like you know, between fakes you can like really feel how a fake is. It's not like good structure.
Okay.
If that makes sense, you know.
Yeah,
like, it's
I
just
did.
kind of like squeezing and stuff. But these are good.
Like if you squeeze that and that bit bent like that.
But I did hear that Florida weather's hot, so like sometimes
But
heat.
the glitter though that's a
Yeah,
really
but the glitter's
sign.
good though. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
But I did. It all depends. It's all about just everything. How the wing logo is, the shape. I mean, it's like a whole thing of it, you know.
Yes, sir. That's crazy. So y'all got a whole system y'all got to go through.
Got to.
Yes, sir. Appreciate that, brother.
Appreciate